Hello and welcome everyone to the Fab Dentist. In this video, we are going to look around what is relining and rebasing of a complete denture. So without getting delayed, let's get started. First of all, we should know what is relining and rebasing. So the definition for this are: relining is defined as a procedure to resurface the tissue surface of a denture with new base material to make the denture fit more accurately according to GPT, Glossary of Prosthodontics. Now, what is rebasing? Rebasing is defined as a process of refitting a denture by replacement of entire denture base material on existing prosthesis without changing the dental arch and the occlusal relationship according to GPT. Now, what are the indications for relining? Immediate denture after 3 to 6 months, where maximum residual ridge resorption would have occurred. Now, in poor adaptation of denture base to the ridge for geriatric and chronically ill patient, economical region where patient cannot afford a new denture, when the adaptation of the denture to the ridge is poor due to residual ridge resorption. In these cases, we can do relining. Now, rebasing can be done when loss of retention and stability, porous or artifact of the denture base occur, then we can do rebasing. Now, what are the contraindications of relining and rebasing? A burst soft tissue due to ill-fitting denture, severe osseous undercut when the residual ridge has resorbed excessively, temporomandibular joint problem, unsatisfactory jaw relationship in the denture causing major speech problem. In these cases, the relining and rebasings are contraindicated. Now, what are the advantage of relining and rebasing? Eliminate frequency of patient visit, economical for the patient, improve fit the denture. A soft liner can be incorporated in this denture if necessary. Now, what are the disadvantages? Likelihood of altering the jaw relationship during the process, cannot correct the aesthetics or the jaw relationship, cannot correct occlusal arrangement, cannot be used when excessive ridge resorption has occurred. Now, what are the general consideration we should look prior to the relining and the rebasing? A thorough examination of patient and the denture is necessary before relining and rebasing. Vertical dimension and occlusal should be satisfactory, neither increased nor decreased. Centric occlusion should coincide with the centric relation. Aesthetic should be acceptable. Posterior limit of the denture should be correct. Interocclusal distance, that is freeway, should be adequate. Speech should be satisfactory. And hypoplastic tissue or severe osseous undercut should be eliminated. Oral tissue should be in optimum health. Guys, here is a spelling mistake of speech. ठीक है, the spelling is SPEECH. Now, what are the pre-treatment procedures for relining and rebasing? Preparation of the tissue. Okay, how can we prepare the tissue? Oral mucosa should be free of irritation. Hypoplastic tissue should be surgically excised, and existing tissue can be used as surgical splint. Now, denture should not be worn during sleep. Denture should not be worn for at least 2 to 3 days prior to the final impression appointment. These are some pre-treatment procedure. Now, what are the pre-treatment procedure for the preparation of denture of the impression? Minor occlusal disharmony should be corrected by selective grinding. Pressure area on the tissue surface of the denture should be received. Border inadequate should be corrected. Border should be shortened by 1 mm to allow space for new impression material. All large undercuts should be removed. Now, what are the procedure for relining and rebasing? There are indirect and direct method. In indirect method there is static method and functional method, and in static method there is open mouth technique and closed mouth technique, and in direct method there is chair side technique. Now, what are the laboratory procedure for relining and rebasing? Laboratory procedure consists of articulator method, jig method and flask method. One should always remember, clinical procedure for relining and rebasing are similar, only laboratory procedure vary. Okay, now we are going to discuss these procedure in detail in our next video. So stay tuned guys, please do like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you guys.